On the topic of inserting clip art and pictures into a drawing like we've been doing in the previous lessons, there's one other feature you should know about, and it's called the clip organizer. Down here at the bottom of the clip art task pane, you can see it says organize clips. Now, if you don't have the clip art task pane open up, no problem. You can go up to view, click view, select task pane, and then from here on the drop down, make sure clip art is selected. Down at the bottom, you'll see Organize Clips. We'll give that a click, and it opens up a dialog box. And you can see by default we're looking at a collection list. So down here under My Collections, we've got Favorites and Unclassified Clips. Clips that are not classified by some kind of category. Then down below that, we've got our Office collections and also collections on the web. We can expand these by clicking the plus sign. And you can see under Office collection, I've got lots of choices here. Now let's say I use a background over and over. I'm going to click backgrounds here. And this is a kind of a funky background that I like to use in many of my drawings. I might want to add it to my favorites. So I'm just going to scroll up so I can see the favorites folder. I'm going to click and drag it to my favorites. Notice there's a plus sign attached. I'm not removing it from the backgrounds category. I'm just copying it to my favorites. So it stays here in the backgrounds. Let's do one more. Let's go down to concepts here. And let's say this is one we like to use a lot. We'll drag it to the favorites. And let's just do one more. We'll go down to food. And we'll drag this one over to our favorites. Alright. Now we'll minimize or collapse this branch. So this is where we started, but click on favorites to see that we've got those three that we use most often. So it's really handy to use the clip organizer sometimes to get those pictures or clip art that you use on a frequent basis. Now we can view these different ways. Right now we're looking at thumbnail representations of each, and you can see under our view buttons thumbnails is selected. If we wanted to see a list, we could do that. Pretty hard to figure out which is which, so another option is details, and you can see that we get some information like the size, the type, any keywords, and I'm going to just drag these borders so you can see one came from backgrounds, one's from cartoons. There we have under the autumn heading, cornucopias. All of these are keywords that when we type them in the search field in our clip art task pane, these will show up if we type any of those words. I'm going to go back to thumbnails because that's the one I like. And we can also get clips online by clicking the clips online button. Obviously, you need to be connected to the internet to do that. It takes you to Microsoft Office Online. If you see anything you like there, click and drag it over to your favorites folder, and you'll always have quick and easy access via the clip organizer. To close it up, we go up to the top right corner and click the red X.